Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get cartoony animation on Roblox. First of all, go to three dot, click on three dot and go to marketplace. Now once in the marketplace, let me change the face first, then I'll show you what you can do. Just click on add or we can go to yeah, and just choose this. So to get animation, you should choose a face that supports animation. So I'll recommend you to choose this page. So let me go to my customize and let me choose the face that I want and go to head and body and go to style and choose this face, the man face. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And it's not yeah. Yeah, I'm talking about this face. Just click on it. And you can see, you will see that the face is animating automatically. So if you want a real time animation, real time like it syncs with your voice, then how can you do that? So you can do that with a face tracking feature, or if you want to do a simple animation, you have to go to in animations and you can choose here bundles or free animations like this. You can choose these bundles. These also are very much free, so you can get it. Also, you can see other options as well. And if you want to get all the free, then you can click on filter and choose in price. You can set the range maximum to 0 and click on apply. And now you will get all the free animations here. So you can try this as well. This cartoony animation. You can get guys this animation in form of you can use this animation instead of this cartoony animation. This is very much similar as you can see. If you want to get this cartoony animation, you can do that also. You just need to click on and you have to pay or you have to spend 250 robux to get it. But if you want free, then you can try this one. This one is also a nice option and also very good alternative. And make sure to grab it as soon as possible before it go off sale. So you have to try and you have to you can't miss the opportunity. I'll give you the description. I'll give the link of this item in the description. So don't fine. So yeah, hope you like it and thanks for watching.